So here's the valve body. I take these seals out. You can see they're pretty squished, kind of worn out. Flattened a bit. We'll start by taking the shift selector off. Change it to 10 mil. Shift select valve or shift selector, reverse and stuff. Now the transmission, as you guys know, is full of metal, so we're going to get the valve body apart and see if we have any stuck valves. I did not have any codes or anything like that. I just lost gears, I believe torque converter failure, and looked like there were clutches, so when I took the valve body off I could see there was a lot of play in the low reverse clutches. So we'll start by getting the Tecum off. Get all these 10, these are all 10s, there's a couple 10s and mostly 7s. So get the 10s off. Bunch of 7s in front. So I don't know if you see that, but you can see my rag even has a bunch of metal shavings in it. So probably, we're hoping the pump is not, but you can see there's like metal, and you can tell, like, if you can see on here, you can see the film that you get from aluminum and from all the metal that's in there. Now there is a little bit in there. You could probably see it. There's a little tiny bit there, but overall it's pretty good. I don't know how good you can see that, but a little bit there. But overall, all the pressure switches are pretty clean. So might have got lucky on the Tecum. So we'll put that to the side there. We'll get some of these, take the rest of these 7s off. Oh, there's a 10 on the mount in the collar. I gotta switch to the 10. Oh. That's why the 10 always gets lost. So I'll take the manual valve out carefully. Manual valve looks good. I believe that's all from the top. You can see there's some pretty dirty in there. Flip it around. They say you don't have to take off the speed sensors, so I am not going to. I'm just going to take all these, the rest of these 7s off. that is all of them. So get the flat in here. We'll get the flat head in here and pry it if we can. Couple spots you can pry it. Okay, so let's get this top off. There we go. Oh. We got check ball side. I flipped it over, I guess, and see that? Look at that check ball. I don't know why it was in there, but I believe it goes there. Oh yeah. I think it was almost stuck in there. You see, there's all the check balls, and I'll try to put them back where they go. There's 2 trough and the trough. I guess they call it a bathtub. There. One goes there. I don't have the diagram with me, so I can't really tell, but I think one goes there as well. So there's like 2 of them, 3, 1, 2. There's 3 of them that are shrunk right down, and the number 1 check ball was almost stuck in the valve body. I don't know if you saw that. The valve, the spacer plate, that check ball was so small. Get out here. You see how small that check ball is compared to, I guess I should have showed the camera there, but you see that check ball damn near getting caught in there. Like just barely. Holy man, yeah. That could have been one of the issues as well there too. But you see the metal, right there, metal there, there's metal in there. Oh, the camera, there's a bunch of metal there. I'll wipe it off and I'll show you. See that? So yeah, one of the issues there as well was check ball was getting stuck. It's probably why I was losing gear there as well. So there was multiple issues probably. I really believe the torque converter failed. It probably explains why there's so much metal in here. And then as you guys saw in the transmission, the lower reverse was really bad, as I said earlier. But these are all the check balls. So there's 2, 8 check balls. And if you see the difference in that number 1 check ball, how worn out it went, there's definitely issue. So this is a later model. So this is a 17, so it has 8 check balls. Earlier models only had 7, I believe. So, so this is where the most of the valves are. There's a lot of valves in here. We want to check this one for sure. Doesn't look like it's stuck open really at all that I can see. But, and there's the spacer plate, like I said. And then here's the bottom. This is the bottom of the, or sorry, I guess it would be the top. Top of the select valves look, the clutch select valves look like they're okay. They're not stuck. This valve here looks like it's. This valve here looks like it's stuck. Oh no, not stuck. That's just the way it was. That's just the way it goes. It opens the opposite way, so that's my bad there. Yeah, they got splashed pretty good. Yeah, that one looks good then. Yeah, that was okay. That one's good. Yeah, these ones are still moving. So there's only 4, I believe, in this valve, in this top plate. So 4 valves in there. Seem to be okay. Get this valve body over here. Check it. That one's good. That's good. Oh, it splashed again. Oh, Jesus. That one's good. Which way does this one go? That one's good. That one's good, not sticking. So doesn't look like I have any stuck valves, so I guess that's a good thing. And as far as I can see, the valves don't look like they have a lot of like metal in the valve body. So maybe the filter got it first. So I hope that's the case. I really hope that's the case for the Tecum as well. The valve body looks pretty okay for the most part. And then, like I said, this Tecum here, I'm trying to get this filter off here. Just clips on here. Try to get it off. So there's the filter. As you can see, there's like not much. There was only the one screen that I can see that was really filling up there. Other than that, the other ones are okay. So I really hope that that screen protected most of the valves, solenoids in there. See, those are all the solenoids in there. So hopefully those are all good, and just a matter of cleaning it up. The pressure switches look good. Other than a bunch of dirt, a bunch of crud in them, but it's okay. I really think that the Tecum's going to be fine. It's not a whole lot. It's not really that expensive these days. Sonex has a nice remanufactured one. So not the expense is going to be the pump. So with the amount of metal that I've seen in the pan, there might be an issue with the pump. So we'll see once we get the transmission out. We'll check the pump, the pump case. Then we'll check like the stator. We'll check the pump cover, and then we'll be able to take it apart and look at the inside, the internals of what's going on. But from what I can see right now, the valve body looks okay, other than the shrunk check balls and stuff like that. I think we're good. A lot of metal though, so oof. You can tell the metal's been through the valve body. So it's hard to believe there's no stuck valves. But we can vacuum test it and make sure it's good, and if not, we'll fix it as we need to before we put it back together. But there you have her. That's my valve body out of my 6L80.